If you have updated your iPhone iOS 18, then you have new power off feature on your iPhone. Let's me know you, iOS 18 new power off feature. It's my iPhone 14 Pro. I updated my iPhone few days before, and I noticed a new power off feature. Open your iPhone control center. Here you have two new options, left or right corner. Left side have a plus icon, or right corner have a power button. Then you tap on power button. Then you have power off screen, slide to power off. This iOS 18 power off feature is good better than iOS 17, no peach power bottom and volume bottom. If you like this iOS 18 power off feature, so please say comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, new video coming. Thanks for watching.